Hello and welcome to the London Car Alarm Company. Today we've just done another Starline i96 on the very latest E-Class Mercedes coupe with the new steering wheel. We fitted, as I said, a Starline i96 and this is how it works. So if someone was to clone the key, jump in and try and start it, it won't start. See, vehicle won't start. Foot on the brake, vehicle won't start, okay? So now every time the customer jumps in the vehicle, main ignition on, go through a push sequence, and here we've done something very basic. So 1, 2, 3, receive our melody and start the vehicle. There you go. Really clever, really straightforward. Also, if the customer wanted to take it for a service and place it in valet mode, this is also very simple to do. And the way you would do it is, first of all, you have to pass authorization, i.e. by your smartphone paired up and Bluetooth on, or your push sequence. So double tap the ignition, yellow lights are on. Disarm the system, 1, 2, 3, receive your melody, there you go, and then hit one of the buttons on the network 11 times and cycle the ignition. You get 2 bleeps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Start button off, pause, and then back onto main ignition. There you go, 2 bleeps. So this means now you can start the vehicle as many times as you want, move it around, and it won't jump out of valet mode. Also, this has the facility to pair to a Bluetooth phone, and the way you would do that, I'm just leaving it in valet mode now just to show you that it restarts. But to pair a phone, you would turn on the ignition, go through your authorization. So in this one, tap, tap, tap 3 times, receive your melody, and then you would hit one of the buttons on the network 7 times, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, key off, key back on, and you get 7 bleeps. You then search with your phone once you've downloaded the app called Starline Key. Once you find it, you then pair it with 6 zeros, hit pair, you'll get a bleep, ignition off, 1 bleep means 1 phone paired. And that's how you do it. So now I'm just going to show you valet mode again, see if it starts. There you go, vehicle starts, no melody. Okay, when you get the car back and you want to take it out of valet mode, very simple, just double tap the ignition again. Put your code in. There you go, double bleep, it's now out of valet mode. Now I'm just going to show you how to change the code. So on this Mercedes, most of the buttons here, you can use this paddle shift here, that paddle shift there. So I'm going to do a code change. So first of all, I have to pass authorization, so disarm the system. So 1, 2, 3. There you go, melody. So then hit one of the buttons on the network 5 times to go to button learn. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Key off, pause, key back on. 5 bleeps. So now I'm just going to do this one here. So notice it's bleeping, which means it's on the network and I can use it. So I'm going to wait for a confirmation of this code. And I'm going to repeat it again. Wait for confirmation. It has to be the same confirmation. If you hear like a grunt noise, it means that the 2 codes are different. There you go. That's now learned. So if I turn off the ignition, leave it for about 10 seconds, and we'll try the new code. I think it's about 10 seconds. So main ignition on. If it was less than 10 seconds, we'll hear melody and it'll be disarmed. So 1, 2, 3, wait for the melody. New code learned, foot on the brake. Start the vehicle. Really clever, really straightforward. Now I'm just going to give it about 10-15 seconds for it to immobilize again, and we'll just do the final test. As I said, this is the very latest Mercedes E-Class Coupe 2021 with the latest steering wheel. Starline works. I think it's about 10 seconds now. Let's give it a crank. See, when it cuts out. One more time. There you go, cuts out. Really clever, really straightforward. Turn it off, just put the code in. Just do a normal start, so tap the ignition twice. 1, 2, 3. Melody, start. Proper start. Okay, as I said, my name's Otto, company's called London Car Alarm Company. The number to me is 028 906 0478, 028 906 0478. Thank you very much for watching, bye bye.